Welcome to Tell Me Why, Mom, where every why turns into a wonderful journey of discovery. Because in today's fast-moving world, curiosity isn't just cute, it's powerful. The more questions kids ask, the more confident, creative, and ready they become for anything. So, let's prepare them for tomorrow's world, together, and in a fun-filled way.
Hey there, kiddos! Welcome to Tell Me Why, Mom. Today we have a splashy question that's sure to make you think. Why is water wet? That sounds funny, right? How can water be wet? Isn't that just what it is? Let's dive in and find out. Alright, so what does wet even mean? To say something is wet means it has water or liquid on it, like when your clothes get soaked in the rain, or when your hands are dripping after washing them. Wetness is what we feel when water sticks to something. But here's the twist. Water can't stick to itself the way it sticks to your skin or your shirt, right? But it's still called wet. Why is that? Let's get scientific and zoom in, really close, to a drop of water. Water is made of tiny things called molecules. And guess what? Water molecules love to stick to each other and to other things. That stickiness has two names: cohesion, which happens when water sticks to water, and adhesion, which happens when water sticks to other things, like your hand. Since water is so good at sticking, it makes other things wet. And because water is always touching more water, we say water is wet too. Cool, right? Now, some scientists have a different idea. They say water makes things wet, but water itself isn't really wet. It just feels that way to us. It's kind of like saying fire is hot, but fire doesn't get burned, does it? In the same way, water makes things wet but doesn't get wetter itself. So, is water wet? Some say yes, some say no. It's a cool science puzzle. But why do we even care? Because asking questions like this helps you think like a scientist. You start noticing, wondering, and exploring how things work, even things like water. Curiosity makes your brain stronger, your thinking sharper, and your learning super fun. So the next time someone says, water is wet, you can say, let's think about that. If your brain feels smarter now, give this video a thumbs up, comment, and tell us. Do you think water is wet? And don't forget to subscribe to Tell Me Why, Mom for more brain-boosting questions every week. Let's keep learning and having fun together.
Thanks for watching and for helping make your child future-ready. Together, we'll keep the learning curve fast and the journey enjoyable. So, drop us a comment, share this with other curious kids, and stay connected for more Getting Ready adventures. See you next time.